Welcome guys to MKM Coding Mentor. I am Priyanka from this channel taking C++ programming language. This is the second episode, so let's start. So due to time limit, I will be covering a short video, and later on we will discuss more on the fundamentals topic. Since you will get the basic understanding how the C++ programming need to be run. So I will be executing this short code because last time I had just given the description. Now we will see how we can execute it. So we need a third party application like this. I am using Dev C++ and I will give a link to download this software for your easy installation. So we are using the third party, why we cannot directly code and execute it? Because the computer is a machine and it understands binary language, that is assembly language. So we need something that our code can be executed in the machine from machine side. So we need an application so that it will just compile it high level language and middle level language into low level language. So compiler is needed and it will check our code. If there is any error, it will strongly recommend you to change it, and it will also show the line where we are making a mistake. Okay, so this is our comment / which says it is a single line comment, and comment is like when we need to add any rough message. If we are writing a book and we need to add a certain what we can say a message, then we just type it in the corner that this, or type not, we just make a mark that this is the line where I have written this. So in the similar manner, if you are using a code and that code is very long, so while running that code, programmer might get confused somewhere. So avoid that misconception. Here he can write a short description because compiler just ignore it. Okay, this is the norms of software, that we can add comments also. This is the single line comments. In the similar manner, we can add multiple line comments. Like you can see that I have just started a multi-line comment and everything turned blue, and the compiler will not execute this all code because it is inside a comment. Okay, so comments is helpful while you run a big program. Okay, and this is the green line / line which add library using namespace int main. Int main is the main function from where our program will be executed, and inside of this we can write our part, the thing which we want to execute. Okay, so in every program, this 3 line I am describing you, this 3 line will be common. You need to add it anyhow because it's a compiler need. Okay, so he can understand it where the program is getting started and what is need to be printed in the screen. So for executing this, compiling and running, we just need to press on execute button. You can compile, you can run separately, but I am compiling and running simultaneously. Let's see. Yeah, tada, the example which we have taught earlier, the same example is getting printed, hello world, and this line says the time which the compiler have taken to execute this program. Okay, so we have done and shown what the software will be and how it will be executed, and I will give you the link where which you can use to download on your PCs and mobile. Okay, so don't worry about it, and it is easy to install. And if you face any kind of error, then please write down in the comment and I will reply you immediately as I got the time. And please stay with our channel, subscribe and like. Thank you guys, bye.